Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. When it comes to fasting, the best month to fast is Ramadan, obviously. And the second best is the month of Muharram, which is the first month in the Hijrah year. The Prophet said, the best month to fast after Ramadan is the month of Muharram. And to select a particular date from that month would be the 10th day of the month of Muharram, known as Ashura, which is derived from the number Ashara, which is 10. This day, it was reported by Mother Aisha that the Prophet used to fast it, alayhi salatu wasalam, in the pre-Islamic era. And the tribe of Quraysh used to fast it. They used to say that this is the day where Allah Azza wa Jal repented upon Adam. And this is the day when the ark of Nuh settled down after the flood. And this is the day when Allah Azza wa Jal made Musa, peace be upon him, win and prevail over the sorcerers of Pharaoh. And none of this is authentic, but this is what was mentioned in the books of history. What is authentic is that fasting the 10th day of Muharram, which is known as Ashura, is so blessed that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, it expiates the sin of the previous year. So it erases your minor sins of a whole year by simply fasting this day. Before the Prophet ﷺ died, he said, if I were to live next year, I will add to it, I will fast in addition to Ashura, the 9th. So the highest levels of fasting is to fast the 9th and the 10th. And it's a highly recommended sunnah, where you will get Allah's forgiveness if you do this. This is something we Muslims should try our level best to accomplish. May Allah Azza wa Jal make me and you among the winners. Mirza from Saudi Arabia, or I don't know, says that Ashura date has a lot of confusion, as with Arafah, as with the beginning of Ramadan and the two Eids. And the reason of this confusion is that different countries have different calendars. And this is totally normal. Don't we in Saudi Arabia have different Fajr timing than the people in America or in Singapore? Of course. Why? Aren't we all Muslims? Yes, but our Fajr prayer, our prayer times are dependent on the rising and the setting of the sun. And these countries have different timings for that. Likewise, months have different timings according to the locations. So when the moon or the crescent is sighted, this is the beginning of the month. So if it was not sighted in one country and sighted in another country, you'll have a difference of a day or two, which means that their Ashura would be different, because their 10th of Muharram is different than their 10th of Muharram, according to the sighting. Likewise in Ramadan, their Ramadan started on Monday because they sighted the moon. Their Ramadan started on Tuesday because they did not sight the moon yesterday. So with this understanding, everything would be clear. The 10th of Ashura, according to the moon sighting in Saudi Arabia, is the day of Ashura is on Thursday. The Wednesday is the 9th. Now, in other countries like Egypt, for example, they did not sight the moon, so they will have Ashura to be on Wednesday. Other countries may have it on a Friday. It's all kosher, it's all right and fine, inshallah. If you fast according to the country you're in the clear, and you'll get the forgiveness of 1 year, bi'idhnillah.